so hungry, I could eat a dog.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
I love you.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Who's a good boy?
That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out. That sounds like she said no.
Miles, what are you doing?
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks. Not allowed on the bed. You no.